Replace and inspect a media filter in your HVAC system, starting with safety and a clear plan so airflow and performance are restored quickly. First, shut power to the unit at the thermostat and at the breaker so the blower cannot start while you work. Open the filter cabinet door or access panel using the correct screwdriver or latch and set the panel aside where it will not be damaged. Carefully remove the media filter by sliding it out straight to avoid dislodging collected dust, and inspect it under good light. Look for a color shift from white to gray, tears, sagging media, or areas of uneven loading which indicate bypass or improper fit. Measure the filter frame and media depth, and confirm the replacement matches the exact size and media type to preserve the design pressure drop and particle capture rate. Before inserting the new filter, vacuum the filter cabinet interior and wipe any loose dust from the frame and nearby coil access area. Then install the media with the airflow arrows pointing toward the blower, seating the frame fully to prevent bypass. Restore power and run the system for a short period while checking for unusual noises and verifying airflow at a supply vent by feel or with a simple smoke pencil or tissue to ensure the filter is seated correctly. Common mistakes include forcing the wrong size filter in place, which causes bypass and reduced filtration, so always measure and select the identical frame size and media depth. Another frequent issue is neglecting to kill power first, which risks injury or accidental motor startup, so always turn off the thermostat and breaker and verify the system is unpowered. People also forget to clean the cabinet and surrounding coil area when changing the filter, leaving residual debris that shortens coil life, so take a few extra minutes to vacuum and wipe the interior before installing the new media element. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who can assist with HVAC filter services and larger indoor air quality needs. Our site also helps contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host an active discussion community where users and pros share tips and experiences.